Hello, I am AI anchor Sana. You are watching Aaj Tak AI. Let's have a look at the AI and tech update. Google has updated its talking computer program called Gemini. They changed its name from Bard to Gemini, launched a new app for Android, and introduced a better language model called Ultra 1.0. But they want people not to share private information with Gemini. Google mentioned that some conversations with Gemini are checked by humans to make the program better. They assured that only a few conversations are reviewed, and personal details are removed. Google advised users not to share confidential information during chats. If users don't want their Gemini chat saved, they can turn off Gemini app's activity. However, Google still keeps the conversations for 72 hours to improve the program. Now let me tell you what kind of Gemini data does Google store and why. Google collects user data such as conversations, location, feedback, and usage information when using Gemini, as well as additional information when it's set up as a mobile assistant to understand and respond to user queries, aiming to improve and develop Google products, services, and machine learning technologies. Singapore is planning to use its own artificial intelligence models in 2024 for business purposes and aims to become a central hub for this technology in Southeast Asia. AI Singapore, a government-led initiative, is working on creating AI models tailored to the local population. One of their projects, Sea Lion, is a large language model similar to ChatGPT, designed to represent the languages and cultures of Southeast Asia. The model will be trained on data in 11 languages, and it's expected to be ready in 2024. Leslie Theo, Senior Director at AI Singapore, mentioned they are expanding the model's capabilities and plan to make it a multimodal speech-text model. The US Chamber of Commerce's India Business Council, USIB, has introduced a group called the Artificial Intelligence Task Force, AITF. This is a big step to bring together leaders from India and the US in the field of artificial intelligence. The goal is to promote AI ideas, involve different groups in the process, and support the development and use of AI technology. The user believes this will help make both the US and Indian economies more competitive. Atul Keshap, the president of USIB, sees the AITF as a significant change, especially in the fast-changing world of AI. The initiative aims to use AI's huge potential to boost competitiveness in both countries and benefit their citizens. The launch of the AITF shows a joint effort by the US and India to use AI for mutual gain, while also respecting democratic values and promoting economic growth. Spain-based performing artist Alicia Framis is set to marry an AI-generated hologram, named ageless, as part of her new project called Hybrid Couple. The hologram is designed to satisfy Framis' emotional needs and is a middle-aged male hologram with slightly complex logistics. Framis aims to experiment with the boundaries of love, intimacy, and identity in the age of AI, focusing on the integration of holograms into her daily life. Framis is currently designing her wedding dress and defining the attire for the ceremony, which will take place on the roof of the Depot Boijmans Van Beuningen Museum in Rotterdam. She shares videos and photographs on her Instagram account, highlighting the potential benefits of AI and human companions for those who need company. A new generation of love is emerging, where humans will marry and maintain relationships with holograms, avatars, robots, and other entities, similar to how we practice new languages with Duolingo. Framis believes that AI and human companions can be beneficial options for those who need company, and that a new generation of love is emerging, where humans will marry and maintain relationships with these entities. The Pune Rail Division is implementing AI-powered smart cameras at reservation offices and passenger reservation system centers to detect illegal ticket purchases. Tested at Pune railway station, the goal is to identify and stop individuals approaching counters. The plan is to expand to other stations and centers. Between April and December, 270 cases were detected, leading to 320 arrests for illegal ticket activities. Haryana police are using CCTV cameras to monitor farmers' movements. Kolkata airport has taxi cameras, and a fire at Pune railway station was contained with no injuries after 30 minutes. AI-related stocks have led to billionaires like Charles Ling and Alex Kerr, while others like Masayoshi Son of SoftBank indirectly benefited. However, experts are questioning the sustainability of this trend, comparing it to the dot-com bubble, as it raises concerns about the potential for a similar bubble. Do tell us what you think about this video in comments section, and for more AI news updates subscribe to Aaj Tak AI.